Every English Learner's Guide to Every. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to discuss an essential aspect of English grammar, the usage of the word every. It may seem like a small, simple word, but it's quite powerful and can make your sentences more accurate and expressive. So, let's get started and learn everything about every. Every is an adjective that means each one of a group or collection without exception. It is used to refer to all the members of a group of 3 or more. For example, in the sentence, I like every book on the shelf, the word every is used to denote each and all books on the shelf without any exception. Every is used before a singular noun. Despite referring to a group or collection, the noun following every should always be singular. For example, we say, every child needs love, not, every children need love. Moreover, every is used with singular verbs. Even though every refers to all members of a group, it requires a singular verb. For example, we say, every dog has its day, not, every dog have its day. Every is often used in time expressions, like every day, every year, every month, etc. It signifies something that happens regularly or repeatedly after a specific interval of time. For example, if you say, I jog every morning, it means you jog regularly each morning without fail. When we want to emphasize individual attention or selection in a group, we use every in combination with one of. For example, every one of the students received a certificate. Here, it emphasizes that each student, individually, received a certificate. That wraps up our discussion on the usage of the word every. Remember, even though every refers to all members of a group, it is used with singular nouns and verbs. Also, it's commonly used in time expressions to indicate regularity, and when combined with one of, it emphasizes individual attention. With practice, using every will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep tuning in to our English language learning series for more grammar fundamentals. Happy learning!